Spent the day cleaning up the shack. I could finally see the top of my desk. Ta-da! So 6 Meters, one of my very favorite bands. Years ago on the YouTube channel when I had my old FT450 and a 4-element loop-fed Yagi, I was working the world. I mean, I would get in a 6 meter contest mode and it would be great. So today I was cleaning the desk over here and I just set it to 50.313 and just let it go. And I had WSJTX open. And I didn't see nothing for a while as I'm listening to satellite radio and stuff. And, all of a sudden I saw a couple come in here about 1644 UTC. And, okay, nothing, right? And then went to sideband phone and nothing, called CQ. So I walked away. I came back, and shortly after that, almost an hour later, it just opened immediately. And I looked, I'm like, holy cow, I got a list here. So I started making some contacts. Made a few contacts. It looks like my propagation right now is up into my band opening is from Florida to Northeast, New England. So here's where I'm at, and that's picked up by ground wave on those receiving stations. And here's my signal being received in New England area, Northeast. So that's about it. When I zoom out, I don't see my station or my signal being received anywhere else, right? So that's okay. But the point of the story is this. So if you look at this one, 6 meters is open, okay? My propagation is from Florida, with this antenna set up, is from Florida to New England. But you can see there's other people talking in South America. There's a couple open here in Europe. But 6 meters comes about May, June, July, right in the peak of the summer heat, right? And it's a VHF band. You are a technician, you can work it. If you're a general and an extra, you can work it. Do you want to do phone or CW? You don't have to do FT8. I just choose to see that I could make a few contacts here like this. And I ran out of contacts. I tried, I did work him, W3ECA, and then it kind of fell flat. Now you can see in that process, there's a couple I have not worked that are coming in. Alpha Foxtrot 2 Foxtrot, Victor Echo 3 station. So now I'll pick those up. But just as fast as they're there, they're gone. You may, if you look at this map here, for those who don't know, where is it? They call this the magic band because it does what it wants, okay? And you could be talking to somebody in California, right here, from Florida, and the next thing you know, before you finish that QSO, you got somebody up here in northern Canada coming in, or somebody in Mexico, or somebody in South America. And you're like, where did that guy go? Then here's some guy in Wyoming. It just jumps all around. So if you're into that kind of thing, which I really am, right now I'm using 50 watts on this radio right now, not 100 watts full. And there's nobody I hear on voice. So I'm switching back and forth to 50.125, trying to make a phone contact. But, when you look here on the DX maps, right, and you go to list for 50 megahertz, you'll see all the call signs, times, frequencies, and look, modes. Only one or a couple stations make contact on single sideband, but the majority of it is FT8. There's a couple CW sprinkled in there. But, long story short, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 log entries in my World Radio League logbook. And that's what my map's looking like right now. I don't log everything I do. I've talked to more people than I actually log. But there you go. 6 meters. You got to try it, dude. You got to try it. It's one of my favorite bands. It's fast, and antenna is very small. I think it's like, 6 3/4 foot for a vertical, or times 2 for a dipole. And you want to be horizontal for sideband. And then there's 6 meter repeaters. We won't talk about that. I could go to FM right now and look up on the repeater list if there's repeaters that are up here in New England on 6 meters and try to get those. But I have to put in the offset, the PL tone, stuff like that. But that's cool. Being on FM, just like 10 meters in the general portion, being on FM and be able to work a repeater somewhere else. I mean, that's pretty neat. A repeater outside of your area. All right, let me get back to NASCAR, man. I just wanted to show you I made a few contacts and maybe enlighten you on 6 meters. 7-3.